Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your maternity insurance with CareFirst, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your maternity insurance with CareFirst, start by gathering your current insurance policy information. Log into your CareFirst account on their official website. Navigate to the My Account section, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Look for the Plans tab and click on it. Review your existing maternity coverage details carefully. Identify the specific areas where you feel coverage needs improvement. Once you have a clear understanding, visit the Coverage Options section on the website. Explore different maternity insurance plans offered by CareFirst. Compare the benefits of these plans to determine which upgrade is best suited for your needs. When you've selected a plan, click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to fill out any necessary information about yourself and your family. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. After submitting your details, review the options for any additional coverage or benefits you may want. Once satisfied, proceed to the Payment section. Enter your payment information to complete the upgrade process. After completing your transaction, confirm that you receive a confirmation email from CareFirst. Keep this email for your records. Finally, review your updated policy documents to ensure everything is correct. If you have any questions, reach out to CareFirst's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.